Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So besties, today we are going to be making our week 5 hair growth tea. Okay, so I am using Amla powder, I'm using chebe, I am also using Fennel seed, and I'm also going to be using rose petals as well. So we need a clean jar just like this, and I'll be adding my Fennel seed. Fennel seed is amazing for your hair growth. It boosts hair growth, it stop hair loss. Okay, I'm using 1 teaspoon, yeah, 1 teaspoon for each of these ingredients. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. I added more of fennel seed. Okay, so I'm going to be using shebe powder as well. Shebe powder is originated from chad. This is an amazing hair growth spice that fights alopecia a lot. It fights thinning of edges, thinning of hair. This shebe powder is one of the amazing ingredients the Chad women always use on their hair growth routine. I have done shebe powder hair growth challenge before, and my hair really came out. So I'm adding amla powder as well. Amla powder is amazing. It's from India, so it's amazing for hair growth. And I'm going to be using rose petals. I'm using rose petals. Rose petals too is good for hair growth. So all these ingredients I added are a very potent hair growth tea. You can use this every day on your hair. Your hair will grow out really amazing and long, and it does not smell. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. I'm adding my hot water inside the ingredients so that they can infuse for 8 hours. So guys, after 8 hours, I am going to strain them. Okay, after straining them, I'm going to apply this on my hair. This is my week 5 hair growth tea, which is so amazing. It smells amazing. It does not have any foul smell, guys. So I will show you guys how I use this on my hair, and at the ending of it, I'll show you guys after week 5 what my hair looks like. So guys, I just finished washing my hair. I did a treatment. It's already in the channel. You can check it out. So this is my hair for week 5. Okay, my hair is pretty growing. I am going to spray this on my hair. After spraying it, I use my moisturizing routine, which is already in the channel as well. You can do well to check that video out. So I spray this from my root to my ends. Okay, I spray this on my edges as well. I spray it everywhere. I make sure this tea really penetrates my hair everywhere. So I'm going to be using my scalp massager to massage everything. It's very important to massage your scalp so that it can improve blood circulation to everywhere. If you have both spots, if you have thin edges, when you massage your scalp, you'll be able to move the blood circulation all over your hair. So guys, this is the beginning of week 6. I have used the tea every day on my hair, okay, for week 5. So this is the beginning of week 6. You can see that there's intensive hair growth. Like the lines of my hair is actually almost covering, okay, like the lines, when you cut your hair and the rest, yeah, the lines of the hair is almost covering. Yeah, so this is my hair in week 6. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and on your notification, okay, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.